The ongoing tensions between China and the Philippines over the West Philippine Sea, part of the South China Sea, involve complex disputes over sovereignty, resource exploitation, and maritime rights. Here's a detailed overview of the current situation. Key issues. Territorial claims. 1. China's claim. China asserts extensive rights over nearly the entire South China Sea, defined by the 9-dash line. 1. This claim encompasses areas well within the Philippines' exclusive economic zone, EEZ. 2. Philippines stance. The Philippines maintains that it has sovereign rights over its EEZ, including the West Philippine Sea, as per the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS. 2016 arbitration ruling. 1. The Permanent Court of Arbitration in The Hague ruled in favor of the Philippines, invalidating China's expansive claims under international law. 1. China, however, has rejected the ruling and continues its activities in the disputed waters. Military and Coast Guard activities. 1. China has been constructing artificial islands, deploying military assets, and conducting patrols, strengthening its presence in the region. 2. Philippines engages in patrols and has reinforced its own outposts. 2. It also relies on international diplomatic support, particularly from the United States, which conducts freedom of navigation operations, FONOPs, to challenge China's claims. Recent developments. 1. Aggressive encounters. There have been several incidents where Chinese vessels have harassed Philippine boats, including fishing and supply ships. 2. Philippine initiatives. The Philippines has taken steps to bolster its defenses, including modernizing its military and conducting joint exercises with allies like the US and Japan. Diplomatic efforts and regional impact. 1. ASEAN diplomacy. The Philippines is involved in ASEAN efforts to negotiate a code of conduct with China for the South China Sea to reduce the risk of conflict. 2. Global attention. The dispute has drawn significant international concern, with calls for adherence to international law and peaceful resolution. Current situation. 1. Tensions and confrontations. There is ongoing friction, with recent confrontations highlighting the volatility of the situation. 1. Both nations have accused each other of provocative actions. 2. Legal and diplomatic actions. The Philippines continues to advocate for its rights through diplomatic channels and by leveraging international support. Strategic moves. Both countries are enhancing their strategic positions, with China focusing on asserting its control and the Philippines strengthening its defenses and alliances. Conclusion. The dispute over the West Philippine Sea remains a critical issue with broad implications for regional security, international law, and the balance of power in Southeast Asia. Both nations continue to navigate a delicate and contentious situation with far-reaching consequences. Philip China Morning.